Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator access and the correct Windows 10 build. This lets you install drivers without permission errors. Once done, disconnect all Bluetooth peripherals and write down their names so Windows can repair cleanly. Next, download the latest Bluetooth driver from the device maker or queue Windows Update to fetch it. This reduces version mismatches. While downloads run, open Device Manager so you're ready to act on the next step. Open Device Manager and locate the Bluetooth adapter. Right-click and choose Uninstall Device to remove corrupted drivers. Make sure to check Delete the driver software for this device. When errors persist, then use Action Scan for hardware changes to prompt Windows to detect the adapter again. If you downloaded a driver installer, run it as administrator and follow prompts. This replaces low-level files. Once installed, restart the Bluetooth service and verify the adapter appears without warning icons. After driver install, restart your PC to finalize driver registration. Then repair one Bluetooth device to confirm functionality. If problems remain, run Windows Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot Bluetooth to capture common fixes, or reboot into safe mode and reinstall the driver to avoid third-party conflicts. Finally, make sure Bluetooth is enabled in BIOS/UEFI and install any pending Windows optional updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.